Now at 11, a ruling on House Bill 68 has been reached. The controversial law banning transgender health care for Ohio children has been blocked for quite some time due to a lawsuit. Thanks for joining us tonight at 11. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Andrew Kinsey. A Franklin County judge ruled today in favor of the state allowing that law to take effect. 10 TV's Carly Dion in studio tonight with more on both sides reacting to this tonight. Carly.
Right, Andrew, Yolanda. The American Civil Liberties Union of Ohio filed this lawsuit back in March, stating the law was unconstitutional. Tonight, I spoke with its legal director, Freda Levenson, who says they're extremely disappointed in the judge's decision today. Meanwhile, organizations like the Center for Christian Virtue believe the judge made the right call.
We have already filed our notice of appeal. That's how strongly we feel and how confident we are.
Levenson says the ban on gender-affirming care for minors goes against the freedoms they aim to protect.
The government should not come between people and their doctor.
Despite Governor DeWine's veto of the bill in December,
I cannot sign this bill as it is currently written.
The Ohio House and Senate enacted the bill into law in January. It was set to go into effect 90 days later. But in March, the ACLU of Ohio filed a lawsuit claiming the bill was unconstitutional. In April, the Franklin County Court of Common Pleas issued a temporary restraining order blocking the bill from going into effect.
It's care that has proven to be safe, effective, and oftentimes life-saving.
Over the last few weeks, the lawsuit was tried in court, the ACLU claiming House Bill 68, or the Save Adolescents from Experimentation Act, violates 4 separate clauses of the Ohio Constitution. But a 13-page decision from Judge Holbrook on Tuesday states it does not violate any of those clauses, banning gender-affirming care for minors and preventing transgender student athletes from participating in women's sports, effective immediately.
This is a big deal that this law was passed and now has been upheld.
Center for Christian Virtue President Aaron Baer says this fight is about protecting kids.
It's dangerous to put kids on puberty-blocking drugs that can sterilize them for life or put them on wrong sex hormones. These procedures should not be done on children, and we presented so much evidence from medical experts and other leading experts to show that this should not be done.
But families like Evangelical Lutheran Church in America deacon Nick Bates feel differently. As the father of a gender non-binary high school freshman, he says this bill is about allowing kids to be who they are and to feel accepted.
Being a parent is hard enough. Being a teenager is hard enough. And it only makes it more difficult when you have your government telling you that you don't belong.
Attorney General Dave Yost's Communications Director Bethany McCorkle released a statement this afternoon saying the Attorney General applauds the trial court's decision. This case has always been about the legislature's authority to enact a law to protect our children from making irreversible medical and surgical decisions about their bodies. The law doesn't say no forever. It simply says not now while the child is still growing. Parties on both sides say they'll continue to fight for what they believe in. Reporting in studio, Carly Dion, 10 TV News.